The war on black women. The angry black woman. These aggressive encounters. How do we deconstruct this? I am the voice. Let's get to it. In 1962, Malcolm X said these words: "The most disrespected person in America is the black woman. The most unprotected person in America is the black woman. The most neglected person in America is the black woman." It's still that way today. Since that time, there has been a mass devaluation of our sisters through the media, radio, advertisers, and themselves. Yes, the government may have helped, but what we've done to our own selves is the true story. Because there's so much to deconstruct, this story will have to be broken up into parts. And I want to give credit to Iowa Law Review for the article that was written back in 2017 by Trina Jones and Kimberly J. Norwood. It's an extremely long PDF, but it's a powerful read. I'll try to post the link in the comment section. Point one for this deconstruction deals with our sisters feeling like they are tired of being treated as the help. The blatant disrespect from that contributes to their anger. And when you read the article, you'll see what I'm talking about. And I'm guilty of it myself, of being in a store, in a restaurant, out and about, and assuming that the sister is the help. And that's a terrible assumption that I must admit I and many others have, and they do. I imagine, other than asking a woman, is she pregnant, and she isn't, next to that, asking her, do you work here, and she doesn't, that would make you pretty angry. Because this video is not going to be long, I really don't like long videos. They kind of bore me, so I don't want to bore you. And I'll try to make this channel in which the videos don't tend to be too lengthy. But I want to talk about the consequences of your anger and what has happened, and then work on. The quote in the Law Review says, as I paraphrase, that this article is about going to go to a C clause. It's about the consequences of exercising voice, whether in angry or moderated tones, and how that exercise can render one hyper-visible and threatening. It is about the phenomenon of displaced blame and how any response to an aggressive encounter immediately risks deflecting attention from the aggressor and placing blame squarely on the target. In layman's terms, what they're saying is when a black woman challenges anything, whether in any tone, whether they're calm or whether they raise their voice, no matter how they do it, they're going to still appear angry, and blame will be displaced. It will be transferred from the person who was actually the aggressor. And it switches, and it makes the black woman the aggressor. I am the voice. Subscribe to this channel. Tell me what you think. Jump off in those comments and say what you want. I believe in letting my haters be my motivators.